Welcome to this tutorial. We'll connect your company to your Plateforme Agréée, Super PDP, the essential step for exchanging e-invoices under the reform. Have ready your administrator's email address and your company and legal representative details for the verifications. From the dashboard, let's first open the Guided Tours menu. A tour dedicated to the connection introduces the page and its elements. Let's follow it. Open Settings, then Third-Party Connections. This page tracks the connection status for each of your companies. Not connected, pending, or connected. The Plateforme Agréée Super PDP card summarizes the progress. To begin, click Connect to Super PDP. You're taken to the Super PDP platform. The account there is attached to your administrator's email address. There are no separate credentials to create. Super PDP guides you through a few steps. You enter your email address, your company details, then you give your formal agreement. Next comes identity verification. Super PDP shows a QR code. Scan it with your phone. The verification then continues on your mobile. With our partner, you enter your identity details, select the country and type of your ID document, choose to photograph it, then follow the on-screen instructions to capture the document. Once the verification is complete on your phone, a message confirms everything is in order, and you can return to your computer. Back on the platform, you authorize the connection. The checks then turn green: authentication, company verification, and legal representative verification. Your company is now connected to Super PDP. One important note: if Super PDP needs to carry out a manual check of your company or legal representative, the status may show pending during that validation. Once confirmed, it turns green. Finally, addresses. A directory address is created automatically for your company's siren. If a site or department needs its own address, click Add Address. Choose the directory, PEPPOL or PPF. Enter the identifier. Then confirm. The new address appears in the list right away. Your company is connected to your Plateforme Agréée, ready to send and receive e-invoices. Find all our guides at docs.smartdocflow.com.